Which book do you want to read first? Pirates. A long time ago, pirates sailed on the ocean. The pirates were always looking for buried treasure.
What if we were pirates? Let's paint our pirate ship. You can choose the colors.
Choose a color to start painting. Click to paint the pirate ship.
We have to be careful sailing our pirate ship. What do you want to see in the ocean? Whales!
The story said the pirates were looking for treasure. What do you want to find in the treasure chest? Toys. Time to set sail.
To move, press the up and down arrow keys. Or click where you want to go with your mouse.
There she blows. Land ho! Treasure ahead. Shiver me timbers. It's a chest full of fun.
The end. Which book do you want to read next? Astronauts. The astronauts left home, traveling to space in their rocket ship. They zoomed across the universe to explore faraway stars and planets.
What if we were astronauts? I wonder what we'll see in outer space. Color what you think it will look like. What do you want to find floating in outer space? Asteroids!
The story said that the astronauts traveled across the universe. What do you think we'll find on our journey? A new galaxy.
Full speed ahead! We found a new galaxy! Here we go!
The end. Which book do you want to read next? Cowpokes. Cowpokes ride the trail all day, making sure that none of the cows get lost. When every cow is safely home, the cowpokes relax around the campfire.
What if we were cowpokes? What music do you want to hear while we ride the trail? Recorder.
You can color the cows! We'll be hungry after riding all day. What should we have for a snack? Biscuits.
Cowpoke Clifford will bring the cows home.
Try to collect the cows. Try to collect the cows. Try to collect the cows.
Howdy, cow. Get along, little doggy. Day's almost done. Time to go home.
All day long we herd the cows. We help them on their way.
Then we munch some biscuits as we end the day.
The end. Which book do you want to read next?